Tired of your email being visible to everyone in Jira? Learn how to change visibility in under a minute and take back your privacy. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go in your Jira account settings to change your email visibility from public to private. All right, let's jump in. This is one of those settings that's surprisingly easy to change once you know where to look. And trust me, having done this a bunch of times with different Jira accounts, the menu layout is pretty consistent. So let's walk through it together. First, go ahead and open up your Jira account. Just log in like you normally would. You'll land on your dashboard or wherever you usually start. No special permissions or admin access needed for this one, which is nice. This is something any regular user can do themselves. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen. See that little circle with either your profile picture or your initials? That's your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will pop up with a few options. Now, here's where people sometimes get lost, because there's a difference between your Jira profile and your Atlassian account settings. The one we want is your Atlassian account. So from that drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. That's going to open up a new page in your browser. Don't worry, it's not redirecting you anywhere weird. It's just taking you to the central Atlassian account page, which controls things like your email and profile visibility across all of your Atlassian products, not just Jira. Pretty convenient. Now, this page has a few different sections. You'll see things like your profile information, your security preferences, and so on. What we need is further down, so just start scrolling. Keep going until you find the section labeled Contact. It should be right around where your name and email address are displayed. And that's the spot. You'll see your email address listed there, and right next to it, there's a drop-down menu. By default, it's probably set to anyone. That means anyone in your Jira instance who stumbles across your profile can see your email.
Not ideal if you're getting spammed or just want a little more privacy. Click that drop-down. You'll see two options. You can leave it set to anyone, which is what it was before, or you can change it to only you and admins. That second option is what you want if you're tired of your inbox getting flooded with messages from people you don't know. When you choose that, only you and the system administrators on your Jira instance will be able to see your email address. Regular users won't see it anymore. And that's it.
Seriously? That's the entire process. No need to save or confirm. As soon as you select your new option, Atlassian saves the change automatically. So you can just close the tab or navigate back to Jira, and the setting is already in effect. So in less than a minute, you've gone from having your email exposed to controlling exactly who can see it. Your privacy is back in your hands, and those spam messages should start drying up pretty quickly. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got other Jira questions you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.